Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to delete a Simplebooklet from our account. This is helpful when a booklet is no longer needed and you're ready to permanently remove it. So we're going to get started here on our Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to locate the booklet that we want to remove. Once we've found it, we're going to go over to the right-hand side and click on the delete button. And then we're going to get a little pop-up here just asking us to confirm that we want to delete, along with a little notification that just lets us know once deleted, this Simplebooklet cannot be recovered. So once you've made your decision, go ahead and click the delete permanently button. And so once confirmed, the Simplebooklet is removed from our account. So just some important things to know before doing this. Like we just saw there before, deleting a Simplebooklet is permanent. All links, embed codes, and QR codes associated with the booklet will stop working immediately. And once it's deleted, the Simplebooklet cannot be recovered. And if you're trying to decide whether you should delete or replace your booklet, if your goal is to update content but keep the same link, embed, or QR code, deleting may not be the best option. In that case, you'll want to replace the Simplebooklet instead, which updates the content while keeping everything else the same. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.